Okay, so welcome to the fresh new lecture today. Today we're going to just model a simple exercise inside the Onshape. So as earlier I have just done with some of the previous exercises. Okay, so as your retention is more on this software, so that's why I wanted to make some other videos on the same software, right? So today we're going to talk about to model this part inside the Onshape. So let's get right into it because it's really simple. And before going to model any 3D part, first you must need to be having a proper dimensions of that, right? So if you, first we'll make this box, and then we'll just add this portion, right? So you can take a screenshot of this. Okay, we'll make the base box of 70 by 70 and extrusion of 80. When I go for the sketch tool, choose a plane, go for the center point rectangle, draw some line. This and dimension it by 70, this one also 70, and once you're done you have to confirm. When I go for the extrusion, and the extrusion must be 80 as per the dimensions given. Okay, next thing, I just want to create this cutout of diameter 40. For that I will choose sketch and pick a circle. It's coincide with the center, but not. Let me just make it normal. Okay, and just define the 40 diameter. Right click and go for the isometry. I want to choose both of the regions, and I want to remove the materials through all. Okay. Next thing is just to create this cutout 40, 45, and from the base it is 20. For that I will just use this face and make it normal. I want to go for the corner point rectangle, starting from somewhere here like this. Again, going for dimensions, this is 45, this one is 40, and from here till here this is 20. That's it. Alright, next you have to go for the trimming material or remove material. Okay, right click, press, and just rotate your mouse. Alright, next thing, just to add a proportion of the height 75 and what is it exactly, 70. Alright, I want to choose this top surface, make it normal, press N and keyboard. Okay, and define this one is 20. I want to hide. Alright, keep this one blind and assign the height. Okay, so apply the round. I want to go for the fillet. Choose this and this, define 35, and that's it. Again, I want to go for a sketch to create a cutout. For that, just draw a random circle. And now you can apply certain constraint like this circle and this circle. Now when you apply the dimensions of 35, hit enter. Okay. Alright. Choose the region, again apply the tool, trimming tool. Okay. So that's it. Your model is ready. Thanks for watching.